Welcome to Python Lessons YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to install Python and Sublime text editor. In this tutorial I will show you everything on Windows 10 virtual machine, because on my machine I have all the libraries installed. I don't want to remove them simply, so move on. First we need to download the Python installation. We go to python.org and press to download the newest 3.7 version. I already have it downloaded, so I open it. Of course you can have install older versions, but I recommend as a beginner to install the newest. Of course you can install it alongside with other Python versions with no problems. So in the first window we have two choices: to install it with all the default settings and use customized installation. So we'll choose customize installation and we add a tick on the add Python 3.7 to path. It means that we can, with this we can reach our Python line from Windows command prompt. So move on. In the first window we have optional features. It means that we choose to install documentation, pip, idle, Python test suite, launcher, and use it for all users. It's everything fine here. Move on. Yeah, we choose to install it for all users. Associate with Python files, it means that it recognizes all .py files. Create shortcut, add Python environment variables. It's strange because we already did that in the first window, but we'll leave a tick here. Install precompile library and the debugging tools, we don't need them, so leave it as it is. Here we'll change the Python default location. Customize installation. Python 37 means that we install 3.7 version of Python for Windows 32-bit machine. Of course, you can download and install other versions like 64-bit machine, and you can have both of them, but you have to choose which you use when you use Python. Okay, we move with install button. So we wait for about 5 minutes, maybe faster, maybe shorter. Here I will stop the video for a moment. I resumed the video and here we go. When our installation finished, we see the setup was successful window, and here we simply press close. Now, if you want to test our Python, if it works, it opened the idle shell, so we can test it with print function. Print something like hello world. Wait, sorry. We must save it. Okay, and test. Name it test. We can't do this. Save this as hello world. Bye. Okay, and what did we did wrong? Oh, everything is fine. Simply need to do this. Hello world. So it's working. Now we can download Sublime text editor. We go to Sublime on Google or sublimetext.org. Download it for Windows. I already have it, so I simply start the installation. Move next. Install default location. Okay. Add the tick, install. It should be really quick. Okay. Oh, it was quicker than I thought. We installed it, and now we may open it from our and now we should open some code. No, that's wrong. That's also wrong. Remove this, and now we should build it. We can use the tools build or use a short key it's Sublime, and as you see, it works. Old, new to Python, something like that. And you can see that it works. Oh, so that's it with this tutorial. If you liked my tutorial, smash up the likes button and subscribe my channel. This will help me to grow and make new tutorials. Text version of tutorial and links are left in video subscription. See you in the next tutorial, folks.